I have never personally been to any Disney parks, but I've heard that a Pineapple Dole Whip is a must-have snack when you visit. Since it's not looking like we'll be able to visit anytime soon, we decided to take matters into our own hands and make one at home. The first ingredient is obviously pineapple. Now of course you can use pre-cut and frozen pineapple for this, but we figured why not just show the entire process. For this recipe, we only need the fruit from half the pineapple, so you can either set the other half aside or just cut it up as well and have it as a snack while you wait. Cut off the end of the pineapple so that both ends are flat. Now when you flip it on its end, it should be stable enough that you can easily cut away the skin. Then once all of the skin is removed, take note of where the core is, which is that circle in the center of the pineapple. Cut straight down just to the side of the core, then rotate and cut on the other side. I think it goes without saying that the riper your pineapple is, the sweeter your Dole Whip will be. With that said, you can test if your pineapple is ripe by gently squeezing it. If it gives in a little bit, then you know it's good to go. If it's completely firm, let it sit out on the counter for another day or two. Slice on either side of the core and set that aside because we don't need it, then you can cut the rest into chunks. Okay, so once you have your pineapple cut up into chunks that are all roughly the same size, transfer them to a lined baking sheet and spread them out evenly. Resist the urge to snack on these, you've got a whole other half pineapple to snack on. Once they're spread out pretty well, put in the freezer for about 4 hours or until they're frozen solid. And for anybody who's using pre-frozen pineapple, here's where you should start paying attention. So half a cup pineapple is roughly 450 grams of frozen pineapple. Place that in a blender, then pour in roughly 1 cup of pineapple juice and another 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. And yes, I know that the Dole Whips at Disney are dairy-free, but without that Disney magic, I don't know how to make it creamy without ice cream. It was a bit of a doozy blending this, and we needed to stop a couple times to mix it all up together, but eventually we got to a thick, smooth, creamy consistency. So don't be discouraged if it takes you a couple tries to get this too. And from here you can either just scoop it into a bowl and enjoy, or if you want to be a bit fancier, transfer it to a piping bag with a star tip, and then you can pipe a swirl into a clear glass. After tasting, I can definitely see why this is so popular. It's the perfect refreshment on a hot summer day. We'd love it if you click on one of these other amazing recipes and subscribe for more great content.